I know that I should start cooking my pigeon, but I haven't even started the lentils that I discounted earlier. I haven't cooked my baby turnips, haven't even made my ravioli.
There's not a lot of time at the moment. I'm just trying to make sure that I get everything done.
If I don't get started with all the other elements that I haven't even begun with, I'm not even gonna have a dish to put on the plate today. With just over half an hour to go, I really need to get the lentils on. Oh, I know that lentils take at least 25 minutes to cook. I better start cooking them. Leaving the lentils until now has really left me more than Amy and Byron to do in this last leg of the cook. It's all starting to unravel for me.
I'm preparing the pigeon. I've got the aromatics in the cavity. My pigeon is trussed and I need to get it in the pan to brown it and then into the oven. Pigeon needs to be pink. It's a small bird. It only needs 5 minutes in the oven. So I'm quite happy with my timing on that. It still leaves plenty of time that if I need to do it for a little bit longer, I can.
Tash!
Yes, Marco.
Do you think you should get your pigeon in the oven?
Yes, my pan's just heating here.
Well, there you are.
I really better get started on my pigeon because if I don't, I'm not even going to have a dish to serve up. I need to trim the wings of the pigeon, French the legs, and truss the pigeon. I get my pigeon into the pan and I have to brown it on all sides, put it in the oven for 5 minutes and rest it for a further 5 minutes before I can even begin to carve it and put it on the plate.
In the oven, in the oven, in the oven, in the oven. Put it in the oven. Top shelf, top shelf. What temperature is your oven?
200.
I'd put it to 250. Time's not your friend.
Marco tells me to crank that right up to 250 if I'm going to have any hope of serving this pigeon today. I'm still not even sure if I'm going to have a dish to put up. The last thing I want to do is serve undercooked pigeon to the judges because that's going to send me straight home.
I need to get some food ready to put on the plate and I'm rushing. I don't have my ravioli made. I haven't even cut up or cooked my pigeon and it's a pigeon ravioli dish.
Byron, if you've got time, just French the wing bones.
Good, Byron.
Nice and quick, then do the other side. Nice one, mate, nice one.
I need to focus and take a deep breath because I'm just shaking so much. I know I can do it. I tell myself I can do it. Today, I'm not letting nerves get to me. I get the pigeon trussed and I get it onto the hot pan.
Does it get any better than this? One of Marco's dishes, for Marco, 30 minutes to go.
I need to start rolling that pasta because I need to create one perfect ravioli. This shouldn't take too long. There's no time to waste with this many elements to juggle this late in the cook. It's important at this stage to roll it properly and get that really good lamination on that pasta and get it the perfect thickness before I fill it and cut it.
I'm getting really worried about Tash. Her lentils aren't done, her sauce isn't finished, she hasn't even begun to make the ravioli.
I'm only just starting to roll out my pasta dough for my ravioli now. And I know that adding that much oil to the pasta dough has really made it quite hard to work with. Every time I'm trying to laminate that pasta dough, it just starts to bunch up and fall apart. It feels like I've tried to put that pasta dough through the machine at least 24 times at this point. Marco is known for his ravioli, and if I don't get ravioli on the plate today, I have no chance of surviving this pressure test.
I finally get the pigeon in the oven. I know it's not going to take long to cook and I don't want to overcook it. Everything rests on this bird. I know that I could pull all the other elements together, but I've never cooked pigeon before and I need it to be cooked perfectly.
Nice, huh? Can you see all the flavour you've created through method?
I'm quite chuffed with that. Not bad for a first time. Yeah, it's really amazing. Such a lift at this point in the game.
Cooks, in 15 minutes, I will know who's going home. You've got to push. If you want to win, you've got to want it. Yes, Marco?
Yes, Marco.
Do you think I like talking to myself?
No.
I do, actually. Some things come natural in life.
I need to create one perfect ravioli. I get it the perfect thickness, a little bit of filling, egg wash, fold it over. My first ravioli. was very imperfect. Had a bit of a hole in it. It is nothing like Marco's. It's his own recipe, and I can't plate that up to the man himself.
Oh, that ravioli's not going to happen.
I feel like things are getting out of control again, and I'm freaking out.
Oh, I need to breathe.
Make one perfect one. Amy,
Yes.
make one perfect one.
That's all it is. You've just got to do it. I've got a perfect little ravioli. Well, I say perfect, not as perfect as Marco's, but perfect for me, and I'm quite happy with it.
There's so little time, I'm going to keep this short. You've got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes to go. Come on, guys.
Go! You got to push, Byron. You really got to push, mate. You need to get a pot of water on for your ravioli as well.
Ben's yelling out to get the ravioli made. I struggle with the pasta maker. Just getting it on and getting the first couple of rolls through is quite a struggle.
Byron, just calm down.
Just breathe, mate.
Seriously.
Breathe. Relax. It's just pasta.
Come on, Byron. Let's go, Byron.
You just need one nice ravioli.
It finally starts to come through after a big struggle.
We all know they can cook lentils. We all know they can make pasta. We all know they can cook a pigeon. The reality is it's about bringing it all together.
And really now they're racing the clock to get the key elements on the plate. And if they don't do that, they're going to be in big trouble, risk of going home.
Less than 10 minutes to go and I'm still rolling pasta. At this rate, I'm not even going to get a ravioli on the plate.
Tash, you only need to make one, not 10.
Yeah, it just wasn't really coming together for me.
Just run it through once more and make the ravioli. If you don't make a ravioli, the chances of going home are very high.
I managed to roll out enough dough to get that one ravioli. I mix my chicken mousse with my sautéed mushroom mix it together, and quickly fill my ravioli. It's going to go straight in the boiling water.
Just squeeze it with your fingers. Come on, come on, come on, come on, because if you don't get it in now, it's not going to be ready.
I have 5 minutes left on the clock to make sure that this ravioli is cooked through. It's really going to be close.
In front of your eyes, it might be slightly hazy, but can I tell you what you need to know is 5 minutes to go. Let's go.
My heart's beating out of my chest and I need to get this food on the plate for Marco Pierre. There's a real feeling that I have of just throw in the towel or push. I'm never going to throw in the towel. I'm going to push to the end. I go to cook my perfectly cut ravioli. I know I need to get it in now. I've read the recipe. I know what needs to be done. I've just got to work it.
Push yourself. Where's your pigeon?
My what, sorry?
Pigeon.
Pigeon's in the oven now.
How's it doing? Show it to me. That's not too bad for a first time.
I quickly grabbed the baby turnips and tossed them into the boiling water. They're only going to need a couple minutes to cook.
You should be dressing by now. You've got 2 minutes to go.
Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, Amy.
Come on, Byron. Come on, Byron. Come on, Byron. Stop panicking. If you panic, I'll start to panic. How does that sound? Cooks, 1 minute to go. Plate.
Hey, Clancy, you're doing so well.
Tash, ravioli, sauce.
Push, 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 push. Come on, Byron. Dislocate it and then down. You've got 1 minute. Come on, Byron. I'd like it on the plate. Byron, plate, 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 plate. 20 seconds, 20 seconds.
Oh, come on.
Pour your sauce on. Come on, Byron.
Come on, Byron. Come on.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, Tash, do your sauce.
Come on. Come on, 10 seconds. Come on, Byron. Byron, come on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away from your benches. Time's up. Well done.
Jesus.